Hello everyone and welcome to the Cerenade video. This video will show you the scroll bar we recently added to many sections of the client profile and case profile, as well as how to disable that same scroll bar from sections like the logs. So let us first access a client profile by going to our clients and contacts. From here, I'm going to leave everything blank and just click find. It'll list all our clients here, and I'm just going to pick one client here. Now, once we're inside the client profile, we'll notice that the page here, the general info page, it looks like it's cut off some sections, but it's actually, there's a new scroll bar that we've added onto here. And if I scroll down, it'll take me to more info on this specific section. Now, the reason we've added these scroll bars is previously, when it was just showing the whole page from the get-go, you wouldn't be able to see the save changes up top. It would kind of disappear as you would go more down to the screen. So by adding this scroll bar, essentially, no matter where I am in this page, that save changes button still appears there. So it's just a way to, if you're adding information, such as right here, if I add whatever information, I can easily just come up here, click save changes, and now that information is now retained onto this section of the client profile. So this same scroll bar has been added to other sections. You'll notice it in the log section. It'll also be there. I can scroll up and down pretty easily. If you go inside the cases, so if I go to my cases tab here, if I'm inside the case, I go to the form section. You'll notice it's on here. It's on the log section. If you were to have more logs, it would appear there. Now that we have seen how these scroll bars look, what if you want it to look like you previously had it? Maybe you don't necessarily want this scroll bar thing. Maybe you just want, as soon as you land on a page, it'll show all 50 entries or whatever the amount may be. You can easily do that for the log section now, which you can do that if you go to the home page, if you go to your user preferences. And from here, on the main page of the settings page here, you're going to see a hide log scroll bar checkbox. If I click on it and I click save, if I go back into any client profile here, using that same person, I'm going to go find that person. Once I go inside their profile and I go to the log section, you no longer see the scroll bar. So it kind of lists every log that we have on here. So currently, we only have the option to check that setting for client logs, but we do have plans in the future to add to other sections in case you wanted to also appear on the case logs and so forth. But yeah, this concludes our video on the scroll bar, how to enable the setting if this is the way you prefer to see your logs. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We'll be more than happy to help. Hit the subscribe button to be alerted when new videos come out, and be informed of new features like this one. Thank you for watching.